Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. So ladies, let me explain, okay? Let me break this down for you, okay? So the method was there, the vision was there, the execution, I may be my biggest critic, but I wasn't feeling it. It was okay. It was okay. Sit back and relax and let me show you what I mean, girl. This is a V-part wig from Mega Look Hair. It comes with a removable strap with the grip, and it comes with 4 clips, 3 combs, 1 on the back and 1 on each side, and it has the grip for the back of the nape, girl. And it's a breathable cap as well. This right here is a human hair clip-ins that I also found on Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box below. The hair is so silky and bouncy and full straight to the ends, girl. I washed both things. I washed the clip-ins and the wig before applying, and this is what the V-part wig is looking like after it was washed. Now I had to give it a trim. I had to give it a trim, girl. And always before putting any heat in your wigs, girl, or your hair, put some heat protective spray, okay? Now the hair itself is very pretty, very soft and silky. Look at that. Beautiful. I went ahead and straightened all around, making sure I get all the kinks as much as possible. And then we got to straighten back down that V part. We don't want no lumpiness. Then we're going to use just a little bit of BioSilk. Just a little bit, girl. Not too much. It's going to be too oily if you put too much, okay? Hey girl, hey. I look a little crazy, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. I have already sprayed my hair with heat protective spray because ain't nobody playing around with their natural hair. And I'm straightening it as much as possible. If you're still here, girl, that means you enjoy vibing with me. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, tell me hey. Before applying the wig, I measured out the leave out to make sure that it was the right amount. And once I got it to where I'm satisfied, I went ahead and adjusted the strap and put it on my head. Now this wig was big head friendly, and I mean big head friendly. It was a little too big head friendly actually. It was too big for my head. Even though I adjusted the strap as much as possible, it was too big, and I felt like if I adjusted it too much, it would be too lumpy on my head and it wouldn't look right. It wouldn't lay down flat, you know what I mean? So that's my con. That's my huge con about this wig because I would have done so much more with it had it been comfortably on my head. Girl, I was over it at the end. You'll see. My reasoning for adding the clip-ins was to give my leave out a little more you know? So I decided to add clip-ins in between my hair so I could give it more life, you know? More life. Why not? I should have colored the V part to blend better with my hair and the clip-ins, but it was alright. It was alright. The blend with the clip-ins was pretty good. My hair was still a little frizzy, but the blend was pretty good, and I wasn't gonna keep adding heat to it, so the frizz was gonna be there. It was gonna stay there. Okay, so I added my edge control. Love this edge control. You can find it in my TikTok, link in the description box below, girl. It's really good. I love it. So I decided to give it a little trim as well. And I was doing my thing with this hair. I just was over how it felt on my head and the lumpiness, and oh girl, I was over it. But I wanted to share this. Look at the lumpiness. Look at that. But I had to share it, to share my method, and to give an honest review, okay? This right here, this is that. Let me just smile to finish this video off. Look. If you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. And if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.